All right, Bob. Well, pretty windy today as well as yesterday. I know for me, myself, I didn't head to the beach because I was fearing that the wind was just too bad.
It was. I was up on top of one Sarasota tower doing some shoots there, and it was windy up there. You go higher, obviously the winds go up about 10 times that. Now we are looking at the winds coming down a little bit tomorrow, but the rain chances going up. Casey Key webcam showing a nice sunset tonight. Boy, we had some great photos sent in once again, and the wave action was high, but the waves are coming down too, so the rip current problem that we've experienced over the past couple of days is over for now. And there it is. Here's some photos that were sent in to pics@mysuncoast.com. This one from Fred Seeger. Gorgeous shot there, Fred. Appreciate that. Nice palm tree right there. And this is the mighty Manatee River as the sun was setting. Looking out there from Candy Eason's home. Appreciate that, Candy. And here's another one from Art Conforti, always a good contributor. The bridge, we call it. That's the Ringling Bridge. And you can see all that rainfall. It's all streaming northward now. It is weakening somewhat as it approaches, but we have a pretty good chance for showers overnight and maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. We've had some thunderstorm activity out here in the Gulf of Mexico, but most of that now is starting to wind on down. We'll zero in on that range and show you that rain starting to move on in across parts of Sarasota County now. And it looks like it will spread into Manatee County throughout the overnight. The showers are heavier down south, again, just to the west of Fort Myers and pushing up toward Punta Gorda. Elsewhere across the state, had some huge storms over near Daytona Beach and Jacksonville earlier. Those have since moved on. And as far as the rainfall forecast goes for Wednesday and into Thursday even, we're expecting up to an inch of rain in some areas, but most areas stand around a half inch or so. Looks like over the upcoming days, and a pretty good chance of that happening. Our rain chances will stay high. High pressure off the west of us now over Texas is bringing us this wind coming out of the northwest, and then high pressure to the east of us is bringing us an east to southeasterly wind, and that's bringing all this moisture up in between. A little trough of low pressure has developed, and that will give us an enhanced chance for rainfall throughout the day on Wednesday. 77 degrees right now. Look at that humidity, 90%. Winds out of the south-southeast at 7, and the pressure is going to be rising as that high pressure noses in from the east. The high today was 83, below average of 87 degrees. This morning's low was sticky at 75, and no rainfall officially at the Sarasota Bradian Airport. For the month, we're well over average, and for the year, we're also about a third above average. Well, the satellite and radar review continues to show that a streak of moisture heading up from the south right across Cuba, where they don't need the rainfall. They had excessive amounts of rain over the past 5 days now. Temperatures currently 70 in Boston, it's 72 in Philadelphia, Columbus at 81, 82 in Indianapolis, and 72 in Salt Lake City now. Temperatures much warmer in the southern plain states. It's still 86 at this hour in Dallas, 79 in Oklahoma City, and temperatures into the mid-70s in Atlanta and Macon now at 74 degrees. As far as the highs go tomorrow, we'll be warming up across most of the central U.S. 89 in Kansas City, 89 in St. Louis, 78 in the nation's capital, and a little bit cooler but still warm in Detroit at 84. For boaters tomorrow, south winds at 15 knots, so still a little bit breezy and seas running 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The extended forecast, a real good chance for showers and storms scattered about at any time throughout the day on Wednesday. Thursday, we get back to more of the afternoon and evening variety of storms, even on Friday. By Saturday, our winds switch a little bit to a southwesterly direction as a weak cold front approaches the northern part of the state. That will give us a chance for showers mainly inland, both on Saturday and Sunday, with a few coastal showers possible in the morning. Temperatures will be warm, too, on the weekend, upper 80s. It will feel more like mid-90s on those days as a result of the high humidity, which is expected to stick around right through the weekend. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.